during the first set of questions. Alex Brosas.
Si Alex ang una. Okay.
From DT.
Ayaw mo ba?
No.
Akala ko ayaw mo
Nasa
eh.
war party at medyo nakakaayan. Thank you ha for the love, for Dirty Linen.
Yeah,
Sobrang-
thank you, Ren.
Thank you.
Tawag dito. I'll start with you, the one in lenses, Baron. Baron, you were good when you were bad. Diba? You were best when you are bad. What is the joy of playing a character that is hated? I'm here! I'm here!
Leo,
Do I
right
need to
here.
stand? Okay, I will. Ah.
Ganda niyo po.
Okay, thank you. Enough of the compliment.
Taray mo lang.
No, I'm not.
That's how
I'm
it
just
is.
joking.
Sige po, madam.
Iba din kasi binigay mo, Baron, nung nakapanood namin.
Okay.
Yeah, I saw you in The Iron Heart. I saw you in the show here.
Yes.
You were good when you were bad. What is the joy of playing a character that is hated?
You know what? I would say, the writers, I want to, gusto kong ibalik sa writers and sa directors po and sa production. Yung bawat character po namin is not just necessarily one-dimensional or hated. You will be loving, when you watch this, you will love to hate it. You will love to endure each character because we are all connected here, And then, the good thing about this tandem, I see to it that the tandem from Kaki, from everyone, walang mataas, mababa. Everyone is helping each other to make this serie an amazing story. And then we also have Derek Onat, who guides us to make best effort sa mga characters namin. So I think everyone here, aside from my wife here, na si Desiree Del Valle, who's doing a good job, Mon Confiado na idol ko, magaling. Itong mga luma.
Grabe siya.
Itong mga lumang faces. And then, ang pinakamaganda, natututo din po ako sa mga kabataan kapag nakakasama ko. Kasi anak ko po dito si Blythe. Ano ko rin po si Elijah. So, nagtutulungan po kami dito. Walang pataasan ng iye. Kaya nga ako sobrang natutuwa doon sa sinabi ni Tita Sylvia Sanchez na, walang pa-start dito Noong umpisa pa lang. And ganun po yung nangyari. Down to earth, lahat, trabaho lang talaga. Para pagandahin.
Okay, thank you.
Nahihilig ka sa mga lead villain, from John Arcilia to Baron, guys.
Yeah.
Iba ka, mahal.
Oo, may isa pa. Miss Silvia Sanchez. You seem to play a character that is of minuscule proportion. Meaning, parang it's a small character for you to play considering that you have achieved so much as an actress. You've won awards here, there, and everywhere. What was the compelling reason why you accepted the character of a security guard? Is it because your character has a promise while the show is ongoing?
Yes, Alex. Malaki yung role na yon. Okay? After ng HKM, huwag kang mangamba. Sinabi ko, papahinga muna ako. So, ginawa ko yon. Years ako ng pahinga. Tapos may mga offers naman na mga dumating. Tinanggihan ko. Kasi pareho na nanay na gano'n, na gusto ko naman din, alam mo, ma-break yung gano'n, na maiba yung role ko. So, after 2 years, ito, dumating tong role na to, na si Lydia, security guard, tinanggap ko nang walang pag-aalinlangan. Kasi, again, after HKM, pinagkatiwalaan ako ng Dreamscape ng panibagong magandang role. Security guard siya, pero wag lang siyang sinasabihang security guard lang. Kasi ang security guard na yon, pag pumutok, tatahimik lahat.
Okay.
Thank you.
Andrea?
I'm sure, dagdag ko lang, sure, napaka-hands-on mo doon sa pagka-characterization mo doon, Biang. Kaya kita, hindi ka basta tatanggap ng ano. In fact, talaga bang ganun ba kalaking tiyan mo ngayon?
Gusto mo, halika, mahuhulog ako sa'yo. Dali.
Talagang medyo,
Ay, wala na eh. Oh.
medyo duda pa nga parang on the LGBT side.
Gusto ko
pa
lang
to.
sabihin sa inyo, pag nag-security guard ako, si Direk Onat, lagi kong sinasabi sa kanya, Direk, correct mo ko kasi kailangan direct, di ba? May command, pagdating sa security, pagdating sa
Right.
mga bata, so nakatayo. Pero alam mo yung, nakaganon ako.
Slouchy.
Yes. Tapos pati, panoorin nyo na lang, ang hirap mag-describe.
Kailangan i-physicalize
Oo.
niya, no? Yung pagiging security
So,
guard. Okay.
Yeah, thank you naman. At
Thank you,
napansin
Alex,
nyo.
oo,
Thank
for
you,
the
thank
ano.
you.
Andrea, it seems to be you're very lucky these days. Kasi sunod-sunod ng projects mo, di ba? Playing two characters here, which is more of a challenge? Yung Sky or yung, I forgot the others.
Luna.
Luna.
Nice question.
First of all, thank you so much for calling me lucky, but I don't think I'm lucky because I think I've earned this spot also after
Wow.
working for more than a decade. But thank you so much. Thank you so much. I think mas challenging po for me is Sky kasi si Luna yung emotions niya, mas kita nyo agad lahat, mas kita nyo agad yung vulnerability niya, at saka mas vocal po kasi si Luna, pero si Sky mas paloob po kasi lahat ng emotions niya, and hindi siya talaga, hindi siya makunot, hindi siya iyakin, mas matapang po siya. So, mas may nahirapan po akong ilaro si Sky kasi parang paano ko gagawin kakaiba siya kasi baka mangyari ma-bored sa kanya yung mga tao. So, dun lang po ako medyo nahihirapan. At saka, mas gusto ko lang si Luna, mas maganda kasi siya para sa akin. Siya kasi naka-makeup eh. Charot. Pero yun lang naman po. Tsaka mas mahirap po si Sky kasi kailangan kong konting laliman yung boses ko po. Kasi hindi naman po talaga ganun yung speaking voice ko.
Okay. Congratulations. As I said before, Dirty Linen is the standard by which teleseries will be measured. Now, you come in second. Thank you.
Thank you, Mare.
Taray
Thank
ni,
you.
ni Alex. Alex,
Alex writes for
Thank you,
the
Alex,
Lifestyle
ah.
Inquirer.
Why?
why? Why not? Thank you, Alex.
MJ, ang ganda tanongin ng mga introducing.
I
Paano
know. Oy, wait, 2 questions per press na lang para we can accommodate more.
Oh, who?
Si Don Sermino ang next na.
Ayan, oo.
Don,
Ay,
Don.
Early bird
Ay,
yan
kanina
kanina.
to.
Dumating.
Thank you
Hi,
very
Don.
much. By the way, congratulations sa buong cast. At talagang nakakaano pa na, nakakapanginig pa ng kalamnan after
Oh.
mapanood. Yung parang gusto mo nang mapanood yung mga susunod na episode.
Kanino ka nang gigigil from what you saw?
Of
Muna,
course,
we can identify you.
As kay kay Z.
Kay Z.
Kay Daniela. Kay
Kay
Daniela.
Daniela.
Of course, kay Baron, di ba? Pero ang galing kasi nung Baron, lalo na nung tumulo yung luha nung nakita niya yung
Anak.
na death. Sobra ang galing. But anyways, ayun, congratulations din kay Andrea. Kasi si Andrea, kitang-kita yung pagkakaiba ng dalawang character. Sabi nga ni Vinya Vivay kanina, nahiwalay talaga no? Magkaiba. So, yung question ko, Andrea, how was it working with, kumusta yung pakikipagtrabaho with Angel Aquino? Grabe ang confrontation scene. Grabe kasi knowing Angel Aquino, award-winning, napakagaling. Si Angel parang lahat na lang, hindi naman sa pero parang dumadaan sa camera, parang gusto nang magka-award. Ganon yung nakikita ko sa kanya. So yan, Andrea, kumusta pakikipagtrabaho kay Angel Aquino? And ikaw, Angel, kumusta rin ang pakikipagtrabaho kay Andrea? Ikaw muna, Andrea.
Gusto ko lang po sabihin na sobrang saya ko po nakatrabaho ko si Miss A. Sobrang bait po ni Miss A. Tsaka Medyo weird kasi actually crush ko po kasi si Miss A.
Ay, wow.
Ah, aray
Tapos
ko.
tapos nanay ko siya dito, tapos alam mo, kailangan ko mainis sa kanya. Medyo mahirap lang po yun on my end, pero apakagaling po ni Miss A at saka sobrang totoo siyang tao, masarap po siyang kakwentuhan, and very supportive po si Miss A, sobra po. At kalog din siya, nasasakyan niya po yung kabaliwan ko po sa taping. Kaya thank you so much, Miss A. At ang ganda-ganda niya. Wala, wala naman ako. Basta, of course po, it's an honor po talaga na maka-eksena ang isang Miss Angel Aquino. It's an
Walang
honor.
intimidation factor because yung kahusayan niya, wala kang na-feel.
Ako yung intimidated sa kanya.
Why?
Sobra. I guess kasi napanood ko na yung mga materials niya. Noon pa, bata pa lang siya, napapanood ko when tatay niya si Zanjo and then yung MMK niya. I've seen her works and I know how good she is. So, natatakot lang ako kasi hindi ko alam kung swak kami ng proseso. So I was kind of excited and also scared working with her kasi I
Grabe,
was
okay.
hoping sana umpisa pa lang mag-gel kami agad. And thankfully, I was so relieved kasi ang sarap niya ka-eksena. There was
Bagay tayo, Miss A.
Wow. There was, naku, wag kang ganyan. Hindi, joke lang. Wait, peace. Ano yun?
Kasi si Angel naman talaga maraming may girl crush sa kanya eh. Di ba pag tinatanong, laging ikaw yung isa sa mga na-mention.
Pero yun nga, meron akong eksena. Kasi syempre, unang araw pa lang namin, ang hirap ng mga eksena. You've seen
Tsaka dalawang
a
beses
lot of it.
inuulit kasi dalawang character, di ba?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Tapos, merong isa na sobrang intense. I was crying. She was telling me, bakit ayaw mong paglaban si ate, ganyan. And I was having a hard time getting there. And she just held my hand and she looked at me. And then yun. And she connected with me. And after that, parang everything just flowed between us. So I'm very thankful for the times that she was there naman to support.